Screen printing is still mainstream and essential as a printing and marking method. However, as everyone knows, the screen making process involves some difficulties that must be dealt with. Screen making using the conventional methods requires enormous facility investment for a darkroom, light exposure unit, washing facilities, and other equipment, as well as expensive running costs. It also requires the use of chemicals and vast amounts of water, which flies in the face of environmental awareness. These factors can cause some apprehension. In addition, customer requirements are recently becoming more and more diversified, and significant changes can be seen in the content of orders, with small lot, large variation orders and demands for more precise color and design expression, to name but a few. Never been so easy. Riso's screen printing innovation. The Riso dry thermal screen making system is the core technology behind the Goccopro series. It is a CTS, computer-to-screen system, with a thermal head that heat perforates a screen master of mesh laminated with film. For these reasons, it is easy, ecological, and economical when compared with the conventional screen making process. This system revolutionizes screen printing. Easy. The screen making process has been drastically simplified. The Riso dry thermal screen making system does not require the emulsion or film positive needed to date in the conventional screen making process. Furthermore, it does away with light exposure processing and washout and makes possible in about 10 minutes what used to take about 3 hours, greatly saving time. In addition, the equipment is easy to use, with the screen making process becoming more simple, more like using a printer. Ecological. Generates no wastewater, saves power. The Riso dry thermal screen making system uses no emulsions or chemicals, meaning it uses less resin, involves no cleaning, so generates no wastewater. Furthermore, with no film positives output, exposure, or drying, it reduces power consumption too. It also contributes to reducing environmental impact. Economical. Operation time shortened to reduce TCO. The Riso dry thermal screen making system enables great time savings compared with conventional screen making. It reduces total cost of ownership by saving labor and utility costs. Neither does the system require a darkroom, light exposure unit, a place to wash the mesh, or other large-scale facilities, making it possible to operate in a much smaller space. This, in turn, further raises productivity. Never been so easy. Easy, ecological, and economical. That's the concept of the Riso dry thermal screen making system, the core technology behind the Goccopro Series digital screen maker. Let us now introduce Riso's digital screen maker, the Goccopro Series. The Goccopro QS2536 Advanced Professional Model has a perforation density of 1200 dpi and high positioning precision for full-colored and multicolored printing on 25 by 36 inch sized frames available, even for automatic t-shirt screen printers. And it is capable of reproducing photographic images with greater detail than conventional screen printing. It is perfect for users in possession of automatic printers. Furthermore, direct-to-garment jobs of between 10 and 100 pieces that pose difficulties in terms of production efficiency can now be readily taken on. The Goccopro QS200 Versatile Professional Model supports printing on a wide range of frame sizes, from small items through to t-shirts. An image can be burned on any blank parts of a screen that has already been used on a previous job, thus enabling savings. It can also perform multicolored printing. The business entry model, Goccopro 100, is able to provide flexible printing on everything from small items through to towels, despite its small size. It is also perfect for marking, name printing, and single-color printing purposes. Never been so easy. Risos screen printing innovation. Easy. The screen-making process has been drastically simplified. Ecological. Generates no wastewater. Saves power. Economical. Operation time shortened to reduce TCO. The Goccopro Series is a new type of screen printing that will become the common standard for screen printing based on its core technology, the Riso dry thermal screen making system, and it is sure to provide powerful support for all of your business requirements. We hope you will keep your expectations high for Riso.